Hi friends, this is Barbara and today we are making taco chili. The first thing I'm going to have you do is to fry up a pound of turkey or beef, whichever one you prefer. Today I am using turkey. Then you want to put your turkey or your ground hamburger into the crock pot. Alright, then we're going to add our beans. That's going to be 1 can of black beans, 1 can of dark kidney beans. Perfect. We're also going to throw in a can of corn. Onion, if you don't like onion, omit it. You can just keep that out. Okay, and then chili starter. It's seasoned, crushed with diced tomatoes. This has already got like chili seasoning in it, okay? Or you could just use a can of diced tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and a can of tomatoes. Not crushed. What is that? Diced. Yes. But I'm using this today. I'll put this recipe down below. All right. And then we are going to put in a cup of green salsa. Okay. 1 cup of green salsa. We are making taco chili. Okay, and then 2 cups of chicken broth. You'll want to throw that chicken broth in there. Let's get a spoon. Stir up all these ingredients. It smells good. I can't wait until it's done. Taste it. Okay, you'll want to put your lid on. I'm going to cook mine on high. You could cook it on low for 7 to 8 hours. But you guys, you know me, my crock pot is on high. 3 to 4 hours, okay? And you know, I've noticed throughout the years, with my crock pot cooking, every crock pot is different, okay? So it's kind of like you got to go with your crock pot. But really, I'm just feeling like everything is already done. The hamburger or the turkey beats, it's already done. So this is just, marinating the flavors together and, getting it nice and hot. So I'm still going to go with high, 3 to 4. You could go with low, 7 to 8 if you want to. If you got that kind of time, why not? Okay, I'll be right back because I want to see what else I'm going to do to this. Okay, and here we got our taco chili. I did mine actually for 3.5 hours. I noticed that the onions were where I like them. I don't know if you can tell, but they're not done completely, okay? They're a little bit al dente. That's how I like them. So I think I'm going to stop my crock pot. And this is what this looks like. Okay, and if you like thicker chili, you can put some tomato paste in there. That will thicken it up for you. And topping the chili, what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to put crackers. You could use cornbread. Pour the chili over the cornbread. And you can also top it with some sour cream and some cheese and some avocado. Like that would be all the fixings right there. That would be delicious. I need to keep it simple though tonight. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to throw some crackers on there. Okay, my friends, if you liked this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see some more recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and keep on cooking, friends. I love you guys.